Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming you control the device and can navigate settings. Open Settings and tap your name. If iCloud prompts for a password, stop and note whether Find My iPhone is enabled. If Find My is off, you can sign out directly. Enter the password if you know it. If you don't, collect proof of purchase and device identifiers like IMEI and serial number because Apple may require them. Once done, prepare to contact Apple or use recovery options depending on the device state. Next, attempt account recovery. Go to iForget. Apple.com or use the Apple ID recovery flow on the device. This can reset the password if you control the recovery email or phone. If recovery fails, contact Apple support and request activation lock removal, explain ownership, and provide the proof of purchase plus IMEI/serial. For non-activation lock problems, you can boot the iPhone into recovery mode and restore via Finder or iTunes, but make sure you've backed up any accessible data before erasing the device. Finally, once Apple confirms activation lock removal or you reset the password, sign out of iCloud in Settings and sign in with a new or recovered Apple ID. If the device needs a restore, use recovery mode and follow on-screen prompts to reinstall iOS. If you hit errors, try a different USB cable, another computer, or update iTunes/Finder. These simple hardware or software fixes often resolve restore failures. Remember, without the password, Apple support and valid ownership proof are the legitimate route to complete the process.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.